In today's lesson, we are going to talk about be going to. We use this grammar to talk about our plans for future if we are 100% sure. Let's get started. I will show you some pictures and you are going to think of why are these people happy? Maybe he is rich. Maybe she won something. And the word we are looking for is lottery. Look at this couple. Where do you think they work? And do you think they are rich? This is Alette and this is Elaine. They work at McDonald's. We asked them one question. What would you do if you won $1 million? They thought about it for a while and Elaine answered that I'm going to stay here, but my husband isn't going to work here. Be going to. We use it when we are 100% sure about our plans in future. How do we make it? We need subject. Because of I, we used am. Basically, you need am is are. Depends on your subject. For I am plus going to is fixed. After going to, you need simple form of the verb. Do not add any ing or ed at the end of your verb. And here for negative form, he isn't going to. Going to is fixed. Simple form of the verb. Work here. For they, you need to use are. They aren't going to. For you, you are going to. Let's practice. Please pause this video right now and try to fill in the gaps with be going to. Sometimes you need to put it into negative form.